All right, we got lot number 7, a 2003 Chevy Avalanche. This one has 217,000 miles on it. Every lot is sold as is. Every lot needs to be picked up Monday, Wednesday, or Friday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. To pick up a lot, you must make an appointment. To make an appointment, you need to call Cedar Towing at 612-721-6646. Every lot is sold as is, and it's $60 for a jump. This one does not have any brakes and does not go in reverse. Every lot is sold as is, and you must make an appointment. This one has no brakes and does not go in reverse.